here on earth below, unechoed through the ages, from distant Calvary, I'll tell you as it was told to me. It's the blessed peace of God's own holy word, God in my holy flutter down. It's the masterpiece of God's own holy word, a lesson taught in Jesus, my lowly little bird. Didn't get a chance to finish that. That's the legend of the Robin Redbreast. Friends, by the way, those of you out there who are new and social may be interested in having our training on Gramble Unit here in your section, why don't you get in touch with us? Contact me, Doc Williams, at WWVA Wheeling, West Virginia. Yours truly, our friend the Border Riders, Frankie Moore and the Log Cabin Gang, and Stony Cooper and the Flint Mountain Gang.
Well, Joe, that sounded like a pretty good piece, don't you think so?
Yeah, it wasn't bad, Chet.
I thought it was nice. How about you?
I wish you would have sang it all. That's beautiful.
That was the legend of the Robin Redbreast, wasn't it, Chet?
I never heard that piece before,
No,
Joe.
I didn't either.
It tells how the robin, the blood came down off the cross, and it made the robin's red breast. Oh, that's really a wonderful piece.
Oh.
Yeah, it tells how the blood dropped from the cross down on the robin. The robin went and rested on the bottom of the cross, and it tells how the blood from Jesus dropped down on the robin, and that's how he got his red breast.
Oh. Well, I think that was a wonderful piece anyway.
Boy, I wish I knew it and could sing it.
All right, I know how we're going to do this. I'm going to say so. All right, Joe, we're up in the mountains. What do you say we get started? Oh, I see something up there. Let's go. Let's look. That looks like
Woody the Woodpecker, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks like Woody the Woodpecker.
Hey, shoot him, Chet.
All right.
Hit him.
Okay, I'm going to take aim. I see him. That's the end of that fella right there, by golly.
You got him.
Okay, what do you say we light a little bit of a fire around here, huh?
Yeah. Boy, oh boy.
Boy, it's starting up.
Look at that flame starting to crackle.
Yeah, but listen to the poor little cricket towers. Poor little fellers.
Yeah, gee whiz.
That's pretty rough for him.
Yeah, it is. That there, boy, I bet that.
Hey, yeah, I see a groundhog over there, Joe. Joe, watch it. Look, I see a groundhog. Now watch. Now wait, I've got aim on him. I've got a dead beat on him. I've got him right between the sides. Get him.
You got it.
I got him.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't hear anything. I hear the cricket hollering yet. Well, all right, we're going to have groundhog.
There's that woodpecker again.
I thought I shot. I thought that was the last of him.
Oh, there's a lot of woodpeckers up there in the woods.
Yeah, but somebody said you never can get rid of them, though.
No, they
Hey, what do you say we pour water on the fire?
Okay.
Well, let's one get a water bucket. Oh, hey, while we're pouring water first, before I pour it on the fire, what do you say we pour ourselves a drink? Go ahead. All right, Joe, here you are.
Let's have a drink. Have a drink, Halloween.
All right, I'll drink you a toast here, Joe.
Okay.
Here's to you as good as you are, and here's to me as bad as I am. But as bad as I am and as good as you are, and as good as you are, as bad as I am.
Listen at them crickets.
Oh, yeah, they're really hot stuff, you know. Well, what do you say we go back home again? Hey, there comes a pair of horses. Let's get on them. Come on, Joe.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, I hear that woodpecker coming.